What's up guys, today I'm going to be doing another Air Force One custom, except these are a little different than usual. The reason why I got these instead of an all white pair is because on this back tab right here, I thought I'd be able to remove this sticker and I was going to do a phase custom. But I've already tried rubbing it down with acetone and nothing happened. So instead I'm going to be doing a California sunset themed shoe. The inspiration for these shoes is a picture that I took in California last year. I'm going to do a hot pink color fading into a purple color on this side, and then I'll have palm trees going across it. The only thing is my airbrush is broken, so I don't know how well I'm going to be able to fade the colors with just a brush. When I finish these, I'm going to be selling them for $100 on my Instagram, so if you want to buy these, you can hit me up on there at Sneaker Sniper Customs. Also, I'm extending the giveaway for the Hydro Dip Jordan 1s by 1 week, so if you haven't entered that yet, there's a link in the top of the description. Go click that and then watch the video to see how to enter. Or if you've already entered and you want to enter again, you can go ahead and do that. And yeah, I'll announce the winner for that in 1 week over Instagram Live. And yeah, that's it, so let's get started.
When I originally drew up this design, I drew it without the swoosh, but in the end I reattached it because it looked better. So if you're doing this at home, don't remove the swoosh. Once I had a clean surface to work with, I prepped the leather using some acetone and cotton balls. I'm only painting the outside half of the shoe, so I put a strip of tape right down the middle and then taped off all the surrounding areas. The colors I'm using are from the Angelus Neon Color Pack. I'll link everything below in the description. I'm going to create a fade from pink to purple and then to blue, so initially I'm going to lay down each of those colors without mixing them. Once I had some color built up, I mixed the paints together to get the shades in between. This process is a lot easier with an airbrush, but mine hasn't been working lately, so I have to do this by hand. Now I'm just laying down more paint to build up the colors. For the area around the shoelaces, I'm painting it matte black. Now I'm adding in the palm tree silhouettes, which is the most difficult part of this custom, especially if you aren't good at drawing. The shoes look kind of weird to me without the swoosh, so I decided to reattach it. I used some E6000 glue to reattach it, but I'd recommend using a stronger glue because if you don't do this properly, the swoosh will fall off over time. I just don't have anything else on hand. The final step to this custom is lacing them up and hitting them with some matte finish. That's it for this California Sunset custom. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below and leave a like if you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video.